skin, but some products can be really expensive. So we have a better solution for you today, something that you can make at home, maybe with some items that are in your pantry. So I'm here with Dr. Bijoor, a triple board certified physician from Oakview Medical Associates in Greenville. Thank you so much for joining us today. And
home ingredients that you can find in your kitchen, and there's a lot of science behind all these ingredients, so I'd like to share that.
Okay, so let's start with the very first one, yogurt.
Okay.
This just plain yogurt, right? Nothing with sugar.
Right. Plain yogurt has lactic acid, which actually helps brighten, moisturize, and exfoliate the skin. It also reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation. It also contains probiotics, as we know, that actually reset the skin microbiome and reduce acne breakouts. The other thing, you know, yogurt is pretty cooling, so it actually helps skin irritation, and even after a sunburn, apply some yogurt. So that's that.
Oh, I never heard of that.
Yeah, and I'm going to take, as I put some yogurt in, so you just
That'd
take
be
some.
The first
that's
ingredient.
the first ingredient.
And so would you say like 2-3 tablespoons
yeah,
or
just
so?
2-3 tablespoons of yogurt. That is a very strong anti-inflammatory. It actually helps conditions like acne, eczema, psoriasis. It also, you know, really is a very good antioxidant, so it prevents aging, which has a lot of proven benefits.
So for the face, like if you just apply it topically.
Yes, so we put a sprinkle of that. You don't want to put too much, just a little bit of that. The third ingredient is besan, which is also known as split chickpea flour. You know, we eat the garbanzo beans. This is the actual lentil called chickpea, and it's split, dried, and then ground into this lovely
I've
brown
never heard
flour.
of this before.
Now, chickpea flour has a lot of benefits. It actually is a cleansing agent, so it's a natural soap without having to use soap. It'll reduce all the impurities from the skin. It reduces oiliness, so that's very good for acne. It also is an antibacterial. It helps in wound healing, and it really restores the skin color. So
where do you buy this?
You get it in all the Indian stores. You actually get it in Publix, all the grocery stores
really?
now.
Okay.
So it's just called
I've
split
never heard of
chickpea
it.
flour. So we'll sprinkle a little bit of that. And just want to start mixing it a little bit. So get a really nice pasty consistency.
So mix the first 3 ingredients.
Mix the first 3.
And then you'll start to add the second 2.
And you can do it like one at a time too. I just, you know, mixed these 3 just so that you don't have any big lumps in there. You just want to really mix it smoothly into a nice paste like that. And then good old honey. Now honey is known as a humectant. What that does is it's a very good moisturizer, and it locks in moisture in the skin. So you want some honey. It also helps in wound healing and has antibacterial properties. Again, removing acne breakouts, you know, so it's really good there. It's also an antioxidant.
Okay.
So make a nice paste.
Antioxidants, I know, are good for the health of the skin. So.
And you know, a lot of this is so expensive in some of the stores, but you can make this at home and just put this on your face.
Yeah,
it's
you probably
skin.
have these ingredients at home.
That's right.
All right.
And then we have coconut oil. Coconut oil contains a fatty acid called lauric acid. Very good moisturizer. I mean, it locks in moisture, so in the dry winter days, it's excellent. It also is an antibacterial and antifungal, also very strong anti-inflammatory. Now, one of the less known things that is very commonly used in Asia is people put coconut oil on the scalp as well to reduce dandruff and flaking.
Actually, my doctor told me to do that for my son. I was very surprised because I thought I'd have to buy some special product, and she said, nope,
the best thing.
Just use coconut oil. And it worked.
See,
it really did. It worked.
It does. It works really well. So there's that consistency. Now, if you have oily skin and you don't want to use coconut oil, rose water is another substitute for that. That's also very cooling, natural rose water. So there we have a wonderful paste.
We have our producer, Kayla, here, who is going to test this out for us. Just apply a little bit on her skin to kind of show what it's like.
Yeah. And you just take a nice brush and kind of just brush it on. Turn your face to the right for me. To the, left there. See, it doesn't drip, like it just kind of stays on your skin.
And now, how long should you have it on your face?
You should probably leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. You know?
Okay.
So really nice. And does that feel cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. And you know, it'll help reduce redness on the skin. Very, very smoothing there.
Oh, I love that.
And you can leave this on
for 15
minutes.
How often would you recommend doing this?
Once a week.
Once a week.
At least.
Okay.
There you go.
Once a week. Yeah. And if you want to blend it in a little bit more. It's a little bit harder. It's probably easier to do it with your own fingers.
She needs to be sitting down too. I don't want to drop it on your beautiful top.
Yeah. Obviously, do this maybe right after you get out of the shower, before you put your clothes on.
Oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, because it'll really absorb when the.
I'd say it's maybe your weekend treatment. You know, you do your
Yeah.
have your weekend, you have your fun, and then Sunday night, this is your
my
you
patient,
time.
my patients know I call it the event facial because you can do this right before an event, like 15 minutes,
Okay.
just at home, and then take your shower, put your makeup on, and it's really a very good. Yep. How does that feel?
Feels good.
Yeah.
It's
Cooling. There we go. Very nice.
All right. Well, thank you, Kayla. And thank you, Dr.
You're
Bijoor, for
welcome.
demonstrating this for us. Again, very easy recipe. We'll have this posted on our website as well at FoxCarolina.com. Kendra.